Hi friends, welcome to our channel Dr. M Water. I am Dr. Swati Anvekar. In last video we saw what is pH. Now in a series of videos we will see how acid-base balance is maintained in our body. But before going to it, let us see what are acid and alkali. So what is acid? Acid is a positively charged substance which donates protons or hydrogen ions to a solution. It lowers the pH of solution and makes it acidic. It is a substance which has pH lower than 7. Now let us see what is base or alkali. Base or alkali is a substance which is negatively charged. It accepts protons or hydrogen ions from a solution. It increases the pH of solution. It makes the solution alkaline. Alkali has pH higher than 7. Now let us see pH levels of different body fluids in human body. Blood has pH 7.35 to 7.45. Saliva has pH 6.5 to 7.5. Stomach upper part has pH 4 to 6.5, while lower part of stomach has pH 1.5 to 4. Intestine has pH 7 to 8.5. Now, let us see how body maintains pH levels normal on its own. This is done by three types of buffer systems working in our body. They are chemical buffer system, respiratory buffer system, and renal buffer system respectively. Now let us understand what are chemical buffers. Chemical buffers are of three types. These are bicarbonate buffers, protein buffers, and hemoglobin buffers. Chemical buffers are fast-acting buffers, hence they are useful in tackling only minor fluctuations in acid-base balance which take place in body while conducting acts like holding breath, exercise, etc. These changes are just physiological changes in the body. A good buffer system is in which blood, when there is one molecule of carbonic acid, there should be 20 molecules of bicarbonate ions. This buffer system acts very effectively. To understand bicarbonate buffer system, it's important to understand the equation given on the slide. It says when carbonic acid is dissociated into water and carbon dioxide, it makes the blood acidic, and when it dissociates into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions, it makes the blood alkaline. Bicarbonate buffers maintain acid-base balance in this manner. Now let us understand protein buffers. Proteins present in the blood itself help in balancing the pH of the blood. Proteins have two groups, a amino group and a carboxyl group. Both these groups are attached to the ends of the protein molecule. You will see the structure of protein molecule in this slide. Here, NH2 group is an amino group which accepts the hydrogen ions and helps in increasing alkalinity of the blood by increasing its pH, while OH is the hydroxyl group which donates the hydrogen ions in the blood and decreases its pH, making it acidic. Lastly, let us understand hemoglobin buffer system. RBCs in the blood take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide formed goes in the cells and combines with the water in it to form carbonic acid. Hydrogen ions bind to hemoglobin molecule which is already has oxygen attached to it. In this slide, you see how oxygen attached to hemoglobin enters the RBCs and hydrogen ion in the RBCs bind to hemoglobin. Similarly, bicarbonate ions in the RBCs diffuse in the blood and chloride ions in the blood enter the RBCs. In this way, chemical buffer system works to maintain ratio of bicarbonate ions to hydrogen ions 20:1 for the buffer system to function effectively. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next video on respiratory buffer system. Till then, goodbye and